Hi everyone. Right, I've got a special kit here. And the reason why it's special is because I've now added some boots. They do come apart, they do come apart, but you have to take them apart. So you can have make two individual pin cushions if you want. You can take all of this off. It's really easy to get off. But let me just tell you what the kit is. The kit's called a Bootie Plaque. Because within this kit, you've two things you can make. You can alter the boots, or keep as is, it's up to you, whatever you want to do. And you can also make a plaque. So let me just go through it with you. Now you've got an 8x8 plaque here. Let me just make sure you can see. And a heart plaque, so that can hang top or bottom. You've got a stick pin kit that's here, that Tatty made, and they're the bead caps and the roundels and the beads that go with that. So it's if you're doing the shoes, the boots, you've got a set here that you just make up and put in the boots when you've altered the boots. I've put in a little bit of my personal bling, because you can cut this and put it on the front of the boot, or you can use it on the plaque. You've got two different kinds of flowers. You've lots of little trims that you can cut. These can be taken apart, you know, cut them up, put them around the boot. Use this on the boot. You've got this if you just want to put one. You see what I mean is you can just put one flower there like that. So you've got those. You've ribbon there, that gross grain ribbon, so that you can make a nice tidy ribbon. I have a frame if you're putting it on the on the plaque, you know, so that can go over there for that. We've put some pink diamante, which can go on either the plaque or the boots. You've got pale pink felt, good quality felt, and some pale pink lace. You've another dozen plain stick pins. Because if you wanted to do something with that on its own, then you can use these for the boots, and you can split these up and make two separate boots. You know, you can give two of your friends, alter them into little pin cushions. I've given you a picture for the plaque, so you can make our canvas picture, and this is the picture we own. We got copyright too. You've a bag of bling from me. I'm going to go through that in a minute. I've put some small gathered lace, some wider gathered lace, and then some of that as well. And then you've got 2 meters of the beaded string. So, lace, boots, more lace, beaded string. I'll go through that in a minute. You've got the lace fabric, and you've got the felt. You've got the diamante bling and a dozen plain pins. You've a bag of mixed beads here in creams and gold, because you might want to make tassels or something for the plaque, or even for the boots at the back of the boots. We've got 2 roses in case you want to put those on the boots, but then you can put them on the plaque mixed in with the flowers. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 ribbon and 4 different 2 ribbons and 3 different trims. You've got the stick pin kit that Tatty's made, which you can use for one of the boots if you want to, or split that, make them up. That's what you do, make them up, or put them with the boots. Then you've got the heart plaque and the 8x8 square plaque, some pink feathers there. The heart-shaped frame in pink and bling, pearl and bling. Going back to the beads, like I said, you have a nice bag of beads there, but I'm just going to use the felt to show you what I've put in this bling bag. So bear with me while I get it open. Because what I've done is I've thought about the shoes, the boots, and to be able to alter them. Now, let me just show you. I've put in 2 of those that you can hang from the heel. See? Let me just move these to one side. I've also put in 2 of those that you can hang from the heels. Oh, sorry, that way. If you really want to bling your boots up, you could change and make them into nice, you know, like a snow boot, but a bling snow boot. I've given you 1 of those for the plaque. I've given you 2 of these for the boots or the plaque. I mean, both. You can use both, but you can use your ribbon and put a little buckle in if you want to. I've also added 2 of these, which can be used for the boots or the plaque. Giant, those are lovely. And then these are just little bits and pieces. So let me put that with that, and that one with that one. These are little bits that I've cut. Now, I'm not sure if you can see. They separate. Let me just see if I can show you. You can like put them round, so each piece separates. So you can put those on the boot if you want, front and back. There's a little bit to hang down that you in pink diamante. There's a diamante bling if you want to put that on anything. So that's another one of those. You have a little bow. You have these, 2 of those. Sorry, have you got 2? Yeah. There's 2 of those. They're beautiful. You've one of the... no, you've got 2 of these. So you can use it for each boot. And you've got 2 of those as well. And then I've given you 24 of these tiny, tiny flowers. Let's just see if we can get it to focus. Come on, baby, focus. It'll do it. It'll do it. Oops. Bloody what? You will do it. See? 24 mini roses. Let's have a look. It'll go. It will do it. There you go. And like I said, there's a couple of those as well. And then I put 4 crystals in case you want to make tassels for the boots with the pearls, and you've got some little blingy rice bead sort of glass beads there that you can make a little tassel with. So everything you need. And this is called my Bootie Plaque kit. Because you can make a pair of boots, or alter the boots, make them into stick pins, so you've 2 projects there. And then you can make a plaque. I thought that was good. Bootie Plaque. I've only got 3 lots available. 3 of the Bootie plaques. So if you're interested, let me know on this video and I will invoice you via the shop. Or via PayPal. Thanks for watching. Take care. And don't miss out. You'll regret it. Bye-bye for now.